Today we are going to another waterfall called, is it called?
Konla.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm exploring the city of Antalya that's nestled on Turkey's southern coast and is home to some of the most stunning waterfalls in all of Turkey. In this video, I'll be showing you two spectacular waterfalls I fell in love with. One that falls right into the sea, sounds surreal, right? And the other that's hidden away in a park. Which one was my favorite? Well, stick around to find out. Hi Antalya. But before I show you the waterfalls, you need to see where I stayed at. Let me introduce you to Sibyl Pension, a charming place run by Sylvie, a delightful French woman in her 70s. Just checked in. It's a very nice, cute space with a beautiful garden. I'll show you that. And I like it already. It's well located and offers all the amenities you'll need, but what blew my mind was Sylvie's garden. We're having breakfast in a beautiful garden, as you can see. It's like having a movie, you know. This is homemade, freshly squeezed orange juice, Turkish chai, and a lot more. After this wonderful, delightful breakfast by Sylvia and her lovely helpers, we set out to explore Antalya and its stunning waterfalls. Turkish ice cream. It's called dondurma. So unlike the normal ice cream that we get back home, this is pretty hard, chewy, and it doesn't melt at room temperature because it has a natural thickening agent. So very yummy. It maintains its shape even when it's hot and sunny outside. After a delicious lunch at this opened restaurant where servers mostly glide on roller skates, we headed out to our first waterfall of the day, the one that spills into a sea. So we are going to the lower Düden waterfalls. I think that's how it's pronounced. And this waterfall flows into the sea. I'm excited. Let's go. A beautiful stream flowing by. are going to another waterfall in Antalya. It's in a rural part of Antalya. We've come a long way from the city center just for this waterfall. It's called Kurşunlu waterfall, if I'm right. Let's go. Selale. Chelale translates to waterfall in Turkish. Now, which waterfall was my favorite? Well, both were incredible, but kurşunlu honestly felt like a slice of heaven. It is literally hidden inside a park, and when you're there, it's hard to believe there is a road just 100 meters away. It's a kind of place I daydream about. So, it's a tough choice, but kurşunlu it is.